Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Hafsa. Today we will discuss the next topic of unit number 6, which is using materials. Learning objectives of this lesson are: learn about the natural materials and learn about the man-made materials. Dear students, as we have discussed in our previous lecture, that materials which come from plants, animals, or from under the ground are called natural materials. Here are some examples: gold, silver, some precious stones, wood, and clay. Students, materials which have been made by people using natural materials are called man-made materials, such as things made of plastic. We make buckets, toys, and many other things from plastic. Wood is a natural material, but cricket bat, boat, and wooden box are the examples of man-made material. Here are some other examples of man-made materials, such as things made of glass. Dear students, please pause this video, solve this exercise, and send me in class WhatsApp group or email me on my given email address. See you all in the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.